Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to use send later on message on iPhone. So if you want to send a message later or you want to schedule a message on your iPhone, so the new send later feature is what you're going to use. So here I'm going to walk you through how to use send later on your iPhone. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to use send later on message on iPhone, all you just need to go ahead and open the message app on your iPhone, then unlock it with your Face ID and start a conversation with anyone on your iMessage app. So click on the box. Now to use send later on the message, click on the plus icon. Then here you want to click on more. Once you selected more, if you see send later, click on it. If you click on it here, you'll be prompted to choose when to use send later. That is to schedule the message. Then once you click on the date or day, then if you see this menu comes up on the menu, just select the time frame. Then go ahead and type in your message where you see send later. So type in your message. Once you're done, go ahead and click on the send button. Then you see the message sent, but this message will not be delivered until the set time. You can see this message will be sent later on the 21st of October this year. Then you can come back here again, edit it, send the message now, edit the time, or delete the sent message. And that's going to delete the scheduled message on your iPhone. So that is basically how to use send later on message on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.